So today we are going to discuss about Cartesian system. So this system is derived by a famous mathematician, that is the name is René Descartes. So uh, basically he took a number line, the concept of number line, that if we are having one number line, so in that number line the center point is 0, and here positive numbers are there, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. So he took the same concept of number line and arranged two number line in such a way that one is horizontal manner and one in vertical manner, and the zero of that is a zero central point of the number line coincide with each other, and they form they arrange in such a manner that one is in horizontal line and one is in vertical line. So based on this he derived this concept of this coordinate system. So these two lines are, that is, one is straight or vertical line, the second one is horizontal line. He has given the name of one line as x and x dash, and similarly the second line as y and y dash. So he has given the name of these two lines like this, and in the center point 0, that is the 0 of this number line and the 0 of this number line both coincide at one point. On this direction positive, this direction negative, similarly this direction positive and this direction negative. So based on this concept he derived that these two lines can be arranged in such a way that one is horizontal manner, one is vertical manner, and this is called as a Cartesian system, and which is also called as a coordinate system and xy plane, because we are using two number lines, namely as x axis and y axis. So when these two number lines divide each other, cut each other at 90 degree, and these two lines divide this whole plane into four equal parts, that is, these parts are also called as a quadrant. So this is called as the first quadrant, this is called as the second quadrant, this is called as the third quadrant, and this is called as the fourth quadrant. So these are the fourth quadrant, and this line is also called as abscissa. Here the name of this line is also called as abscissa, and the name of this line y axis is also called as ordinate. So this is the name of these two lines, abscissa and ordinate. Now let's see that how x and y, the sign convention of x and y will be different in each quadrant. Now here in this first quadrant we can see here that the value of x here is positive and the value of y is also positive. So both the coordinate will be positive here in the first quadrant. In the second quadrant we can see that the x is minus and y is plus. So here the sign convention is minus plus. And for the third quadrant the x is same as minus and y is also minus, so the sign convention here it is minus and minus. The fourth quadrant is, here we can see that x is positive and the y is negative. So this is the sign convention of each quadrant. So based on this sign convention we can see, we can plot any point in a plane. For example, if I have one point, that is let's take -3 and 2. So -3 and 2, I want to know the position of this point in which quadrant, that means this point lies in which quadrant. So first of all I will look for the first value, because these coordinate is of the form of x and y, where x represent the first value, y represent the second value. X -3, so x is -3, that means here in the left direction of this left side of this y axis, because it is negative, and the y is positive, so y is positive, so it will be in the second quadrant. If I have one more point, that is -5 and -3, -5 and -3, that means the x represent minus and y represent the -5 and -3. So both are minus, that means it will lie in the third quadrant. Let's take one more example. if I have point that is 2 and minus 6, so 2 and minus 6, so x represent the value of 2, x, that means 2 here positive, it will be in the this direction somewhere, and the y is negative, so y is negative here, that means positive and negative, so it will lie in the fourth quadrant. So this is called as the sign convention and the coordinate system. So while using this sign convention, we can plot the point, we can find out the location of any point in the plane, and accordingly we can plot the position of any point in the Cartesian plane. This is also called as a Cartesian system and Cartesian plane or XY plane. Thank you so much.